Well, as I rounded the corner leaving, this one flipped over this way, or this one flipped back this way, and it hit this other one and broke it. I don't know if I'll be able to fix it, but I'm going to give it a try. Some epoxy, some surfboard epoxy.
Last night's season finale of Dancing with the Stars. Yay! Jessica Simpson doesn't know when she's getting married. She tells Access Hollywood that she's just enjoying
Early at 2020 Eyeglass Superstore, where you get 2 pairs of glasses, that's frames and those incredible polycarbonate lenses that are 10% stronger and 25% lighter than regular lenses. 2 pair for only $149. And you can share the free pair with a friend, a family member, or just someone in need. We'll even pay for one eye exam. There's an independent doctor about in an hour or 2. But I'm not done. Tell them you heard this on the radio and take an extra 10% off that buy one, get one free offer. And as an extra holiday gift to you, while the supply lasts, get a free gas card.
Air Force Base at A1A at Jupiter Street, with launch tips from the Traffic Center on H.H. Springer.
Hurry in now to make your holidays even happier at Southeastern Honda in Palm Bay with Brevard's largest selection of new and used Hondas. And right now, get